أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Inshallah, in this class we are going to learn the standing movements. Whenever these standing movements come on the letters, so how to pronounce there. Today, inshallah, we will learn this. Let us start now. Whenever standing movements come, we stretch the sound 2 seconds, and 2 seconds meaning is 1 alif, right? And you can see movements name are written here. The standing fatha is like this sign is called standing fatha. The second movement is called standing kasra, and kasra comes with the letter, and now you can see here. And the third movement here, which is called inverted dhamma. Inverted dhamma sign is like this one, which is on the letter. You have to remember, whenever standing movements come, so we long there 2 seconds. Now inshallah, we are going to practice of these movements in our lesson. Let us move there. I am going to read here. You can repeat after me. The first is ba, standing fatha, ba, ba, standing fatha, ba. The next is ya, standing fatha, ya, ya, standing fatha, ya. Ra, standing fatha, ra. Ra, standing fatha, ra. Mim, standing fatha, ma. Mim, standing fatha, ma. Lam, standing fatha, la. Lam, standing fatha, la. Waw, standing fatha, wa. Waw, standing fatha, wa. Noon, standing fatha, na. Noon, standing fatha, na. Hamza, standing fatha, a. Hamza, standing fatha, a. Ha, standing fatha, ha. Ha, standing fatha, ha. Ain, standing fatha, a. Ain, standing fatha, a. Ha, standing fatha, ha. Ha, standing fatha, ha. Ghain, standing fatha, gha. Ghain, standing fatha, gha. Kha, standing fatha, kha. Kha, standing fatha, kha. Ta, standing fatha, ta. Ta, standing fatha, ta. Sa, standing fatha, sa. Sa, standing fatha, sa. Jim, standing fatha, ja. Jim, standing fatha, ja. Dal, standing fatha, da. Dal, standing fatha, da. Zal, standing fatha, za. Zal standing fatha, za. Za standing fatha, za. Za standing fatha, za. Sin standing fatha, sa. Sin standing fatha, sa. Sheen standing fatha, sha. Sheen standing fatha, sha. Sad standing fatha, sa. Sad standing fatha, sa. Dad standing fatha, da. Dad standing fatha, da. Ta standing fatha, ta. Ta standing fatha, ta. La standing fatha, la. La standing fatha, la. Fa standing fatha, fa. Fa standing fatha, fa. Qaf standing fatha, qa. Qaf standing fatha, qa. Kaf standing fatha, ka. Kaf standing fatha, ka. Hamza standing kasra, e. So right now here is a standing kasra. Hamza standing kasra, e. Ha standing kasra, he. Ha standing kasra, he. Waw inverted dhamma, vu. Waw inverted dhamma, vu. Ha inverted dhamma, hu. Ha inverted dhamma, hu. Hamza inverted dhamma, u. Hamza inverted dhamma, u. So there are few examples of standing kasra and inverted dhamma. So you should try yourself in the same way with the standing kasra on each letter by putting under that letter, and similarly inverted dhamma you have to put on each letter and then practice as I did in the last three letters. So I hope you understand about these standing movements. If you have any kind of question regarding these standing movements, please leave a message under this video. And if you like this video, so please click on the like button and share with your friends. Have a nice time. Stay tuned. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.